Can women be voice actors too? Hey, everybody, welcome back to my channel. That question actually came from, I was having a conversation with one of my colleagues and coach, actually, not too long ago, just a few days ago. And someone had reached out to him and asked that very question. Can women be voice actors too? Absolutely. If you think about it, voice actors represent the world. We represent the everyday person. Listen to commercials, listen to TV commercials, radio commercials, movie trailers. Oh my God, animation. Take a look around YouTube, for instance. Let's take a look. I am a voice actor, but let's take a look around here. Let's just go into search female voice actors. Check this out. Top 5 female voice actors. A point of fact, a lot of the boy animated characters, like young boy animated characters, are voiced by women. Bart Simpson is voiced by a woman. There are so many voice actors, a lot of which are in anime. They are in, oh my God, video games. I mean, if you think about anywhere where you hear a woman's voice, that is a female voice actor. We are all over the place. That question sort of makes me sad, to think that there are some women out there that think that only men can do this job. But if you think about it, as I said before, voice actors, we represent in what we do, in the projects and jobs that we do, we represent the world. We represent everyone in it, every voice, every age, every emotion. It's for anyone who wants to be a voice actor. You absolutely can be a voice actor, especially nowadays with the technology that we have available to us. All you need is a good mic, some electronic equipment and interface, a computer, and personal opinion, Adobe Audition, and you are good to go. So my advice to all of the females out there who question whether or not you can be a voice actor, absolutely, 100%. Go for it, do it. Best job in the entire world. If you have any other questions for me, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below or send me an email. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Take a look around my channel, subscribe. I've got a lot of other videos that are informational as in terms of finding work on some of the freelance sites and some examples of my work if you'd like to take a look. But subscribe, like, share, come back and visit me. I'm glad to have you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.